guys, have you ever wondered what it's like to be a full-time trader and perhaps quit your 9-to-5 job? Then let me show you how at one of our workshops. Over 250,000 people around the world have attended workshops just like this and learned how to trade the currency markets. I caught up with Greg Secker. He was here in Australia for a couple of days, and we were discussing a few things of really what we want to do this year. And what we're looking to do is put a small group of people together who are looking to make a dramatic difference in their financial situation. And what I love to do with people is show them how in an hour a day they can make the same amount of money as probably right now what they do working 8, 10, 12 hours a day or more.
Trading for me is really my life and my way of raising my 2 teenage boys.
Had a good couple of days. Between yesterday and today I took 81.3%.
Trading's given me an opportunity to go on vacations with my family without having to sacrifice my savings capital.
I can't work and make this kind of money at work, so trading is now my new lifestyle. It's wonderful.
It's extravagant life, it's the beautiful life that everyone wants to live with. Having no restriction, being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, complete financial freedom, total abundance.
I've got 4 kids and a wife, and before I was married to my job, I was working huge hours, and now I can watch my kids grow up, which I wasn't doing before.
I would encourage anybody who's not feeling happy or comfortable with what they're doing right now in terms of making money. You've got to have the courage to look outside the box, think outside the box, and what can I do? But trading is an exciting platform and it's an exciting format.
So guys, if you're sick and tired of the 9-to-5 grind, then book yourself into one of Learn the Trades workshops and we'll show you exactly how you can make an immediate income trading the currency markets. I'll see you there.